So this is an aggression case, and he also has some fear aggression too. But since the beginning, since I started training him, I've been making sure that he understands dogs as innocent until proven guilty. I just took his muzzle off, as you can see, and in previous videos I have had him obviously muzzle on. He's already tried to bite me many times with the muzzle on, thank God. But yeah, we have his muzzle off today. Good stay. Good Shadow. Good Shadow. Good stay. Yes, good boy. And I've been slowly just gaining his trust. He's not really keen on trust with other people. I've been gaining his trust, and the main thing that I like to do is I like to put him in positions where he's having a good time. And no matter what, we start our sessions having a good time, and we end our sessions having a good time. He's gonna remember the best times and the most traumatic times. But out of all, he's gonna remember the last thing that happened. So now I have his muzzle off for the first time. So let's hope I don't get bit. I'm working on recall, and we're gonna do some more sit. Good, yes. Wait. He's actually a really smart dog. He just plays dumb. He doesn't listen because he's an alpha male. Ready? Break. That's what your dog should do when you say break. Okay, let's see how he does. I have my trusty 8-meter leash, and we're just walking in the woods, you know? I'm gonna let him do his thing, and then I'm gonna recall him. It's gonna be a quick break correction if he does not come. But this guy used to pull really bad and just do his own thing as if I'm not here. But now with the training, as you can see, if I stop, he's looking at me, you know? That's just the process of training. Every time he's looked at me before, I've said, good. I've marked it. I've said, hey, good job. Maybe a treat. Good boy. Come. Good boy. What was that? What was that? You good? You good? Break. You stepped on something. We're in the woods, y'all. Doesn't he look like a wolf in the woods? this guy out. Good boy. So every time he looks at me, I'm gonna say good. Good. Good boy. He's like, I don't know where to go. I want him to look to me for guidance. Because again, one of the main reasons why I'm training him is he does what he wants. And he just leads, you know? He pulls really bad. Shadow, come. Yes, good boy. Good. Break. We're gonna do some off-leash training too today. Stop. Good, stop. Sit. Good, sit. Heel. Give him short leash. If we go too far, I'm gonna correct. The heel. The heel. Good heel. Turn. Good turn. Turn. Good turn. Turn. Good. Turn. Good. Stop. Good boy, Shadow. Sit. Good. Sit. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat? No? What about this one? You like a treat? No? He doesn't like treats. He likes praise. Good stay, bud. Good stay, buddy. Good stay. Break. He likes freedom as his treat too. So he's gonna be free. And that's his treat. Some dogs won't take, they're not food motivated. He's praise motivated. I give him lots of pets, a lot of love. And freedom. I make this a relationship. You do good for me, buddy. You get to do what you want. And that's our relationship. Watch your step, Roger. As I watch my step. Good boy. Good boy. Stop. Woohoo! Good boy. Ready? Sit. Good. Sit. Do some off-leash work. He has a knee collar. Ready? Break. Now he knows he's off leash. He knows he's off leash now. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. Break. Go. He loves the ball. We've never really played ball. Well, we have, but it's been controlled. It's been in my backyard. Shadow. Ready? Ball. Ready? Good. Sit. Ready? Wait. Wait. Go. Get it. Bring it back. Come on. Bring it back. Good boy. Drop it. Good drop. Good drop. Come. I'm really trusting him right now. Ready? Sit. I'm walking towards him. Ready? Break. Look at that guy go. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. See, look at this guy. He is a 100% alpha male. He's got to mark everything. And there's so many trees. And this dude, when we first got in here in the woods, he was marking every tree. Go. Right now, we're just having fun. I want him to understand that training is fun. As much as I say, hey, no biting people. Hey, no aggression. Hey, no attacking dogs. I want him to still think it's a good time. We're having a good time, you know? Good boy. So yeah, we're gonna finish this up and I'll see y'all at the next spot. Stop. Good. Shadow. Sit. Good. Break. He's hot. I understand. Let's get into the obedience. Good boy. Good heel. Good boy. Shadow. Down. Down. Good, good, good. Come on. Come on. Good. Yes. Break. This is my knee. A little walking into him to get that down. You don't always have to leash pop. You don't always have to hit your dog, yell at your dog. You can let your body do the work. I walked into him, I gave him some knees. He tried to walk away a little bit. I pulled him back to me. And then I didn't say down again, I just showed him. Or if I did say down, I only said it once. And he knows what I mean. And I understand. We're probably an hour in now to his 4-hour session. And he's tired, you know? I get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good heel. Right now I have him in heel. And this is a long heel. And this is what you guys want to do. You want to practice your heel time. How long can your dog stay in a heel? We're doing this because we're going to go into a downtown area. Break. See? That's what you want to see when you break. When you say break, you want to see that I'm free to go. I can lead a little bit. I can go off, you know? Good boy. But yeah, I'm trying to build up his heel. I'm trying to build up his reaction time when I say stop. I want him to stop on a dime. And it's still a relationship. It's not a domineering relationship. I don't want him to think I'm messing with him. You have to obey me because I say so, no matter what. I understand he's tired, so I'm not going to make him do a whole lot. I did make him do a whole lot already, you know? So right now we're just chilling. He's in the break. He chose to come back into a heel. Good boy. Listen to that. Stop. Wait. Yep, you guys are about to face off again. Good sit, Usher. Good boy. Hopefully we have a good meeting again. No showdown. My goal is to have them not go at it. Right, Shadow? He's gonna be a good boy? Yeah? Just let him cool off. He's actually cold, so he's just panting a lot. Let him cool off. And then we're gonna come outside with Asher Boy. He's like, guys, let him out. Or let me in. We're back at it. I don't want him to mark right now. We don't want any type of dominant display. Stop. Sit.
Good sit, Asher.
Good. So right now, our goal is to get them to be friends again. Okay? All the steps before is most important. Asher, stay. You can come closer. Good, stay, Asher. So basically what I want to happen is sit. Full control. Good, sit. Wait, Asher. Good, down. And I'm good, down. Look at this guy right here. He wants to come over here so bad. Alright, so basically we're doing the same thing, and I'm looking for little things. And I'm not letting him mark. Watch. That is, I'm stopping him from showing any dominance. Even marking is showing dominance. Sure? See that? I'll let him do it because it's his house. Good. All right, let's see what they do. Shadow, leave it. Good. Because we're training Shadow, I'm not going to let Shadow mark. Shadow. Good, Shadow. Good. Hey, get through. Hey, good heel. I mean, center. Stop. Okay, now we got Asher. Back up a little bit, trying to get both of them in the screen. Good. 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 So I'm guiding Shadow right now. Asher will not mess with Shadow if he's chill. He's good. You know? Let him mark. Notice when he marks, he's looking dead at Asher. So I don't want them to make eye contact. Good. Good. If Asher, when I say stop, make sure you nick him. If you hear me say stop, don't do it early. Cause I let it go until it's too much. I'm gonna get this water going. See what happens. Good, friend. Leave it. Good, friend. Good. 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 He's shaking before he even gets touched. Good. You want it on you? You hot? You a hot boy? You a hot boy? Good, yeah. You a hot boy? Good, yeah. Nice, huh? Wait, Usher. He's like, get this off me. Can't do it right. I gotta have his muzzle on still because he's still unpredictable. He could be the best boy, and next thing you know, he's trying to fight a dog. You know, he's trying to go get people. You know, I don't want you to get dirty. I don't want you to get dirty. Do it in the grass. Yep, do it in the grass. Or mark your territory. That's fine too. Break. It's a mark off. These are 2 unneutered males. It's a mark off. Right? I don't like that stalking into Asher's face. And right now I'm saving him. I just want to save him from doing anything bad. I'm guiding him. What do you want? What you want? Want some water? Water? Good, Asher. Good, Asher. Good. Good, Asher. Good boy. Easy. 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 Leave it. He wants to muzzle off. I get it. Good boy. Good. Friends. They're rarely ever just like this. Right now I'm using the water as a neutral ground. Yo, this is what I mean. Friends. This is what I've been training you guys to do. Be friends. Yes. And Asher walked away. Now it's his turn. He waited his turn. There you go. He wants that muzzle up. I know. Wait. Come on. Come on. Come on. Back here. Here. Come on. Come on. No. Good boy. Come on. Stop. Down. Good boys. Yes. Good. Here. Good. This is what I want, guys. This is what I want right here. Again, I don't want them to play, but I want them to be cordial and trust me. Trust that I don't want them to fight, and that's okay. Okay? I'm saying it's okay to be friends. Let's be friends. Right? Yes. And obviously this is very controlled. He has on a muzzle. You know, I have him on a leash. But the more he gives me trust, maybe next time I'll have him without a muzzle. Maybe next time I'll have him off leash. Actually, right now, I'll take him off leash. Now he's looking, oh, I'm off leash? Good boys. Friends. 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 Yes. So this is an aggression case. And he also has some fear aggression too. But since the beginning, since I started training him, I've been making sure that he understands dogs as innocent until proven guilty. At first it was like, especially smaller dogs, which picked on him when he was younger. Normally some type of traumatic something happened to where the dog's like, every time I see a dog, it's on sight. I want to make sure that dog knows I'm the boss. And you want to get your dog around as many dogs as possible. Okay? Asher's a really good dog because I've trained him to help me train other dogs. Okay? Good boys. Okay. Good boys. Okay, break. Easy. Easy. Good. Good boys. Easy. Easy. Good. Easy. Okay. Easy. Watch, I get up slow. Good boy. Great. Good boy. Good. He's like hovering. He trusts me to make sure he's in check. You see?
Yep.
He like hovering, like making sure he knows I got him. You know what I mean? By himself, he's a little unsure, with Asher at least. Which kind of, that tells me, you know, part of that is telling me that's the reason why he is aggressive towards dogs. Sometimes it's fear of the unknown. I'm fearful of what that dog might do to me. So I want to show these dogs who's boss, you know? Look at that walk, those passes. Like they're passing each other without human intervention. Obsessive marker. He's gonna mark. Yep, get me in there. Yeah, they don't look like they're gonna do anything crazy. Figured it out. I can hold that. We can just focus on that. Good boy. Good boy. These dogs got me so wet, man. My pants are so wet. All right, I think we're good. They're just being good boys right now. Granted, we probably can't leave them alone, but
Yep.
that's while we're outside. They're doing really good. Good, Asher. Good boy. Good boys. Good boys. Good. Easy. Chill out. Easy. See how he got stiff? He's probably jealous.
His tail started flaring.
Yeah. He's like, that's my daddy. Which is understandable. I'm teaching him to share, you know? And then I'm gonna go say, good boy, good share. Give him lots of love. I've been the best boy. What is it? You see something? What is it? What is it? What is it? Ooh, good job. Where is it? Where is it? The hunting dog. He is seriously an all-purpose dog. I was like, what you doing, bro? He loves to go through now. He's spamming through. A mess. Asher's not gonna keep doing that. He's gonna be like, bro, that's not even worth it. Like now he's staring at Asher. The whole marking thing kind of gets him going, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's my turn. I'm the boss. Wow, look at this dog, man. He looks so different. Like he's laying down off-leash with Asher just walking around him. I don't even know this dog. Good boy, Shadow. Good boy. Amazing. Good boy. Great. Right now, Shadow is being socialized. He's by my hip. He's trying to be a good boy. He's not trying to dominate, not trying to be a bad boy. Good. Good boys, yes.
Good.
Good, Shadow.
Good.
Excellent. Well, that's it for that. I mean, again, anticlimactic, but that's what I'm looking for. I don't want them to go at it. I want them to be the best that they can. Okay? Any questions on this, be sure to comment. This is your chance right now. Comment if you have an aggressive dog. If you have a dog that needs socialization, if you need tips on how to get dogs who want to fight maybe, or who are super dominant guys, how do I get my dog with another dog and be trustworthy? Sure. Good. You gotta watch. Even though he's trained, he's still alpha male. He wants to walk over and say, I'm the boss. So I gotta watch my dog too. If he wasn't trained, he'd be just like Shadow. He wants every dog to know he's the boss. And this is his house too. So this is perfect right here though. This is perfect. Look at these good boys. Look at these good boys. Yeah. And I'm marking all the good stuff. Before we do this, we do the easy stuff. Good sit. Good come. good stand, good down, obedience. So now when it's something hard, like not battling it out with another alpha male, they understand what I'm saying when I say good. Good means you are doing a good job. Right, Shadow? Good. That's good. Good boy. All right, so again, y'all comment if you guys have any questions. Fear aggression and overall dog aggression, food aggression, whatever, dominance. Let me know, okay? I'm helping a lot of people out of all sizes, and I think we have another success today. This is Shadow again. This is Asher. I think we're going to end this day with either a downtown walk or maybe even another dog park. But that's it for the backyard. They're off leash. They're chilling. No one's trying to fight. Again, I'm setting the precedent. No fighting, no aggression is acceptable. If anything happens, I'm coming in and I'm stopping it, okay? I'm in their face. Hey, stop. You know what I mean? I'm in between them, making them understand that, you know, to get to each other, they got to go through me, and they respect me. Also, I'm building up my trust. Earlier, I threw the ball with him. I had him off leash for the first time, took the muzzle off for one of the first times off leash. You know, building trust. You know what I mean? So, again, comment if you have any questions. But I'm going to finish this up, and I'll see you on the next one. Good boys. Break.